Hi friends, welcome to Developer Zone. Today we are going to install PHP in Windows operating system. Let's start. Browse the URL xampp Windows PHP 8. Now click on download. Download complete. Now double click on the exe. OK. Next, unchecking the unnecessary modules. Not need those. Next, I am changing my drive, E drive, while xampp will install. Next, unchecking the bitnaming. Next, preparing for install. Installation complete. Check and OK. The xampp will start. Start Apache. Start MySQL. Now my xampp server is successfully ready. Now we have to check the version is PHP 8 or not. Localhost. Here is PHP info and PHP myadmin. Let's check PHP myadmin and PHP info also. Yes, PHP version 8. I successfully installed PHP 8 in the Windows operating system. Please like this video, subscribe our channel. We will back with new learning video again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.